I'm in some hops farm now. All this you see right here, they are hops. I made a video yesterday and I said I don't have a drone to be able to capture how beautiful this region is. But today, I was actually driving past on that street right there, and I saw that some of the farmers kind of did something, which is a staircase that you can actually, climb up, and from there you can actually have a view. I mean, I hope, I've not been there, but I'm just going to take a look. You can actually have a view of how it looks like, but definitely I was taking a look at the possibility of buying a drone. I saw that some of the drones, cost like 350 euros, some of them like 450 euros, depending on how, far they can actually record resolution and stuff like that. I felt like I'm going to buy it because I realized that since I live in the Hallertau region, one of the the regions in the world that have the highest concentration of hops. We're talking about over 42,000 acres of hops, plants that are used in the production of beer. You see, these ones right about, they are almost ready to be harvested, and any moment from now, it's going to be a lot of activities here, These hops are going to be pulled down, taken to the factory or the production plant where they are going to be, separated. The seeds are going to be separated from the leaves, and the seeds are going to be used further, processed further for the production of beer. This is a big region right here, and good that we have this kind of possibility to go up so that you can actually take a look. You see, all these things you see around here, this all belongs to the Hallertau region in Germany here. All you see around this place are hops. It's just an endless, garden of hops. Like I said, we are talking about over 42,000 acres of hops, plant. It is massive. And the beautiful thing is that if you go up, you can actually see how tall these plants are. They are tall. I think this is the highest they can grow. And when they grow taller than this, if you take a look, there's a line right there. This line, the plants can actually grow on it and get coiled on this this string that you have right there. But guys, I'm just going to try to zoom in. I'm telling you, there's just no way you can see the end on the other side. And it keeps going, it keeps going all the way to Ingolstadt and even further. It's crazy, guys. And this contributes significantly to the German economy. The farmers have been able to build houses. They've been able to build roads from the income that they get from this plant. And I'm telling you, every year is the same. This planting season begins, and the next thing you see is that the people, they are patient to wait for the plants to be matured. And as soon as they are matured, harvesting starts. The thing is, harvesting is not done with manual labor. There are machineries that's going to come into this farm and it's going to see to it that these plants are harvested in a very ecologically friendly manner. If you take a look in between the trees or the plants, there are possibilities for a tractor to drive in, and the tractor goes right there with two people at the top, and they're able to unplug and harvest all these things that you see right here. This is a beautiful, planting season because everything have, really grown so beautifully. I've also heard that there have been instances where, there are incidences of pest attack. The farmer plants a very big field like this, and half of the plant are destroyed because there were some attack. I'm talking about many years ago, but that is pretty much no longer the case. There have been technological, advancement in these areas. There are ways to combat the incidences of pests and other form of attack. This is beautiful. I felt like showing it to you guys so that you have a general idea of how huge and massive this whole Hallertau region is. But like I said, I'm definitely going to, get a drone shot of this area, and you guys are going to be blown away. You're going to be amazed how beautiful things are around here. The farmers on their own side, they are also doing a lot of work. It's not easy to manage, big, farmlands like this. Some of the tractors, as you can see, but it is what it is. if you have, decided to plant a massive area like this, you must be ready, you must have time, you must have patience, and you must be strong to do the work. Guys, it's beautiful. I feel like if I get this drone, I'll be able to give you guys a better impression of what this place, the Hallertau region of Germany, what it looks like. And we're going to be having a deep dive, trying to see how these plants are being processed. Definitely, I'm going to see how I can contact with the farmers and ask them if it is possible to be on ground whenever these plants are going to be harvested. I'm going to make sure that I do that. And I'm also going to go ahead as far as, asking the farmers if I could come to their factories where I see these plants being processed and where we can actually, take a look at the production process together, possibly go to a brewery and show you guys exactly step by step how this plant is being converted or how this plant is being used in the production of beer. So it's a lot of work, and I feel like if you guys, give me the support, subscribe to the channel, click on the like button, then there'll be a lot of motivation to do all this. This is going to be something that's going to be educative for every one of us, for me, for you, and everybody that comes, to this channel. I hope you guys found some value in this video. It's a spontaneous video, but if you did, please go to the like section, click on the like button, consider subscribing to the channel, make sure you share the video. And if you want or you have anything that you want me to cover in this series or the hop regions in Germany, talking about specifically the Hallertau area of Germany, please let me know about it. Go to the comment section, write me exactly what you would like to know. It's supposed to be something that we all learn together. I never really took notice of this plant until I started having a deep dive, searching out things for myself, and I realized that I was living right in the heart of the hops of Germany. I didn't know this, but now that I know, I feel like we're going to be studying this thing together, taking a closer look, seeing how this plant is contributing significantly to the German economy. Until I see you guys in the next video, peace out.